Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Samrotul Jannah from Farmasi in Universitas 11 Maret. The subject of my presentation is occupational disease. First of all, I'll be looking at definition of occupational disease. Second, at background of occupational disease, and third, at cases of occupational disease. The first is definition of occupational disease from Presidential Decree number 22 of 1993. Work-related diseases are diseases that arise due to work relation and disease caused by work or work environment. So it can be definition of occupational cases is bad effect from work or job. Okay. The next is background of occupational disease. A factor in background of occupational disease. The first factor is related cases of death with employment, and then cause include from ILO 1999. Okay, the first factor is related cases of death with employed. The high cases is cancer with 34%. The next accidents with 25%. The next cases of chronic respiratory tract with 21%. And the next is cardiovascular cases with 15%, and the last cases is others cases with 5%. Okay, the next factor is cause include cases, high cases in cause include is musculoskeletal cases with 40%, and the next is heart cases with 16%, next accident cases with 40%, the next other cases with 13%, and these airway cases with 9%, and the last cases is SSP cases with 8%. From diagram in background of occupational disease, we can see factor related cases of death with employed, and then factor cause include with high cases and less cases from ILO 1999. Okay, next is cases of occupational disease. In cases of occupational disease, groups, 5 groups, and then first group is physical groups, second group is chemical groups, third groups is biological groups, and then psychological or ergonomic groups, and the last is psychosocial groups. The first is psychal groups. Psychal groups is a bad effect from temperature, pressure, and then lighting and others. The next is chemical groups. Chemical groups is a bad effect from all about chemistry, all about chemicals, example gas, and then water, liquid, chemicals, and all about chemicals. The next is biological groups. In biological groups is bad effect from bacteria, and then fungi, virus, and others. Next is physiological or ergonomic groups is bad effect from design workplace and others. Okay, the last is psychosocial groups. Psychosocial groups is bad effect from stress and then job and others. Okay, and then result from my presentation is the first, always obey health and safety regulation, and then be careful. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you in the next agenda.